We could do 100 right now if you want.
If you think that coral's going to be all right, which
I think it'll be okay.
probably be fine.
Yeah, let's try like 70 anyway. On this one. We're trying to find that other piece, the third piece of coral. Hasn't seemed like it's come in yet.
I've got flow. I saw a little piece come in.
You did?
Yeah, it seemed tiny.
Well, the other thing we could do is if we don't see it here, is we'll stop it, move it to flush, set it up, and then run it for 5 minutes or something.
I've got bucket up on one of my monitors over here.
Okay.
Data confirm that was 033.
Yep. 033.
And then what are we calling this orange coral? Is,
Yellow plexaurid.
Yellow plexaurid.
Same snip.
Okay, how do we feel about
That's a
that? Do we want to
guess.
do a 5-minute flush? Because I don't think it's coming through here. Or just 5 minutes on this jar even, that'd be fine too.
The second or third piece.
Look at this fish.
Whoa.
There's a vertical fish.
Oh,
Hello.
I know what this is.
Very long. Quite a long fish.
Yeah. 10, 100.
Like a whippet or whatever that dog is.
100
with the little
centimeters?
narrow face. I think it just bonked the ROV.
I think so. Try again.
Don't go anywhere near that slurp.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, still have not seen anything in this slurp, so I think we did see that third small piece come through, so maybe we call it there.
Yeah.
Okay, can you zero it, please? And I think we can count that as a flush too.
Wow.
So yeah, you set it
Whoa.
to flush jar, and then we'll just leave it at 0%. Once we're finished observing this fish, we can
Nice
move
pose.
on.
Yeah.
Nope.
And it
You
finishes
guys don't wanna do that.
observing us.
Yeah, look at him. What do you think of the porch, fish?
Oh, tiny face. Wow.
Oh. Wow. Yeah.
Universal fish noises.
Vibration's really bothering me. Okay, should we move along?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh boy.
He's in the, you can see him in bucket can
Yeah.
actually.
Okay.
away from
Do you want to get ahead or just call it now?
We can call it now.
Bridge nav.
Okay, awesome.
Add one step. Thank you.
What's our bearing?
020.
Thank you.
What was that?
So I think that was actually an eel.
Oh, that guy looks, yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Facciolella.
Facciolella is the name of the eel we just saw.
Tomato.
Yeah, it's got the same. You can see its vertebrae, I guess, actually.
Tomato. Facciolella.
Was it a bigger version of this one?
That looks like a different fish.
Yeah.
The head looks different. It's hard
Yeah.
to say.
Oh.
Oh,
No. I think it was the Facciolella. That's
Another
the eel
triangle.
song you got there, Emil.
It's the second triangle rock we've seen.
Hmm?
Second triangle rock we've seen.
Oh yeah.
Sound like Pirates of the Caribbean a
Samosa
little
rock.
bit.
Equilateral.
See 4 more, we'll have a pizza.
Is that those things are called?
Really small coral there.
Is that the same kind?
Might be.
There's 2 of them.
Mini version.
There's a lot.
Let's start on the lower
Pop,
one.
pop, pop, pop. 4 of them.
Pop, pop, pop. Let's make a whole series out of it.
Maybe Netflix will pick it up.
Yeah.
Oh, triangle
Hulu.
rock.
Got Ed on that one.
Yeah.
Quiet laughter.
Okay, zoom in, please.
Coming in.
Is this the same flavor of coral?
This one looks different.
This one does look different.
The others looked yellower.
Oh, is it, can we go any farther?
I
Are
don't
the
know.
polyps white, or is that just the light?
Well, we could zoom in more.
Little shell there on the bottom.
Huh. Yeah, what's that shell doing? Oh, it's a
Hermit.
hermit crab. Yeah. Everybody wants up.
A little anemone on there too.
What's back in that crevice? Squat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Come
Yeah,
wide, please.
not sure.
We'll go check out this next one. Got all sorts of corals to look at. Here's one.
Let's take a look.
Wow, what are the odds? Dunk.
This might be similar.
Okay, Ed, go ahead.
Yep.
That looks like what we got.
Yeah. Anemone there in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, come wide.
Oh, actually,
Oh,
can we zoom in on the thing that looked like an anemone? It almost
I
looked
didn't
like
actually see it. Where
cup
are
coral.
On the rock?
To the right or to the
Bottom right of the rock. Right corner of the rock.
you? Oh, I see it. They're the
Right
white.
Right below the lasers. Yep. Left
The white-
lasers
below
now.
the lasers?
Oh,
yeah.
left of the lasers.
Left, right there.
Oh, there's one on both rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the same
Oh.
descriptive location.
See
Yep.
Wow.
Either one works.
Right.
But it almost looks like a
Okay, go ahead and zoom
Cup
in.
coral?
cup coral.
Yeah,
Going with the
couldn't tell.
darker stuff behind it's actually easier.
Yeah, probably. I can look at that one next.
I can't tell.
Maybe we should look at the other one then.
Oh.
It just looks really rigid there.
Yeah, I can go look at the one with the dark stuff behind it.
Are we just looking at this, or were you thinking of sampling?
Just looking at
Okay, then I'll call in another move.
Oh, mamma mia.
It is a cup coral.
Okay,
Cool.
come wide.
Thanks, Alexis.
Bridge now.
Thanks.
Okay, we're good.
All right.
Add one step.
Are we still wanting to look at every single coral here?
No.
Okay.
Cup corals are not on the list, correct?
Don't think so.
Okay. I think we collected a couple on
There's the
the
fourth one.
first Prim cruise.
Trevor, when we did introductions yesterday, you talked about what your background was. What was it, a scene of a mountain or something?
I just, yeah. I just picked that out of thin air.
It is pretty thin up there in the mountains.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Rennie, is my laser pointer still over there?
Yeah, you want it?
I might recover that after this launch.
Recover it.
Doesn't seem to be used much.
Rennie's been using it every now and then.
Yeah,
Really?
but mostly for fun
Hmm.
and to annoy.
Do you ever find out what the name of those fish was? The fish were? Where's this one?
This
This
fish
Oreo?
right here, this one that I'm circling with the laser.
Yeah.
Oreo.
It is
Oreo.
Oreo fish?
Oh, I don't know. That's what you were telling me.
I was
I think
hoping
so.
for verification. Trust but verify.
I did
Yeah,
look
that's
at
an Oreo.
I did look
Thank
at
you.
Oreos
Right.
before the
There
cruise.
we go,
That's one I
sorry.
remember.
Somebody just chimed in with Oreo. Is that
Yeah.
Tina?
Alexis did.
Alexis?
There's a
Or-
coral right there. Wait, where is it?
Right there. You can see me circle it with the laser pointer that I have
See
in
me
my hand.
circle it with my 2 lasers.
Yeah. Well, let's get a third in there so we can get a.
Thanks.
Yeah.
It's that
It's good
yellow
rock.
stuff.
What is that?
Fish.
Fish.
Fish
Oh,
with a
look at
weird
that cute
face.
little star.
It's a,
It's adorable.
never mind.
Call him Patrick.
It's a dolly fish. Starfish.
Dolly.
Yeah, melting time.
Whoop. Hey, yep.
Hey, yep, up, up.
Up, up, up. Hey, look, an Oreo fish.
We're certainly entering a different, more
Dimension.
biological zone, seems, the shallower we get.
Yep.
Still at 940 meters depth. Imagine it's going to be crazy up there, like 400 meters. Hopefully we get there.
Here's the
I think
hope.
we
Ready?
will.
Yeah. It's just going to take a lot more time on the slope, steeper slopes to...
Is that for hard out, or is that just our hope?
It's either that or wait till 8.
4 would be good. Yeah, I think that's it's so
Roger,
hard.
good.
Alright, so we got to make some progress then.
I was going to set my alarm for 3:30 for that recovery.
Pass this to Ed.
Yeah, because we got some mapping
Pass
to
it
do
Ed,
around
please.
Howland.
Oh, thanks.
I just imagine passing that over to you, and you open it up later, and I've replaced it with one of those hazelnut pirouette cookies.
Yeah, yeah. I just had some of those. They had a ton of those in the store somewhere we were just
Yeah.
at. I forget which port.
Oop, boink.
Either we're imaging something or Trevor just fell asleep.
I was trying to see if that rock would roll on its own. And it was,
Maybe we should
but
pick
it
it
was
up.
loose.
It's like the hermit crab tripping.
Now he's poking with the whole vehicle.
Yeah.
We've done that before.
Give him a man a crowbar, and he takes the vehicle.
Teach a man to crowbar.
Teach a man a crowbar,
And
and he'll eat the vehicle.
excuse me.
Bridge nav.
Bridge nav, help us.
Get me out of here.
One more step, please.
20 meters of sanity, please.
It does look pretty sanity here.
That took a turn.
Thanks, Ed.
Trevor's actually removed his hands from the controls.
Fall back.
Oh, come on, no hands.
What's that
Autopilot.
purple thing?
And he's left the control van.
That's a weird rock on the left.
That was a
Yeah.
weird rock.
It's like you could smack something with that.
Yeah.
What? Oh, I see,
The
yeah.
little
Yeah.
frying pan rock.
Look at this stuff
Ooh.
up top.
That's some cool looking sand
Wow.
right there.
Why is this
Cool,
rock
what's
so
that stuff?
different?
That's really dense.
It is.
What is that?
I don't know.
Dead coral
What
on
is
top,
that?
maybe?
Oh, whoa.
We can zoom in on that, Ed.
Yeah, what do you think,
thanks.
Alexis?
Yeah, zoom.
Zoom. Zoom. Zoom, zoom.
Partially dead,
Oh, interesting.
maybe.
Dying.
It's
And,
madrepora,
squat.
so the pink part is actually the live tissue, and where it's white is where it's dead.
Yeah.
Oh.
Cool.
You want it?
Madrepora.
Hearing nothing, I'm assuming that's a no.
Okay.
There's a
First one
pink
we've
squat
seen.
lobster hiding
Oh
it.
yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Multicolors.
Let me see. It's been falling apart there.
What's our depth here?
We're at
928
Tiny
meters.
star.
Cool, thanks.
I wonder what I'm feeding those lounge monitors down there.
Someone on the chat is wondering if the broken bits of that yellow coral that was previously sampled would regrow and become another colony, or if they would just die if we just let them
We left them behind.
hanging. Yeah.
Good question.
So that was a octocoral, so those bits would likely die. If it had been a scleractinian, it might have like regrown into a new colony.
So, Alexis, they're asking about pieces of a plexarid that we sampled. It's like in several pieces, and we slurped them all up.
Yeah, yeah. So those would have just died.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now
Cool.
they will advance our understanding of science.
Yeah, that was a nice move.
Yeah.
Hope you're happy with the Plexarid sample.
Yeah, that was great. I tried to go to bed and then I couldn't, so I'm back in here.
Yay for us.
Yep.
It's great having that additional
You should
insight.
have this on the state,
is
the monitor in your
invaluable.
stateroom too.
Urchin.
Is there one in there?
Bridge nav.
Is she in 16?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a monitor
Cool.
in there.
One more step.
That's amazing.
Alexis, did you step outside to see the turns?
One good turn.
She's
She went back to bed.
turned off SPL.
Sorry. What'd you say?
I was wondering if you'd stepped outside to see the turns above.
Oh yeah, I saw them when I came out of the van. They kind of scared me.
Yeah,
think
they
there's
are scary.
Still gonna scare all of us.
And they're dropping fish on us now.
Yeah,
You bring your umbrella?
the war zone out there.
Yeah. Fedder's going to be busy in the morning.
Yeah.
Is that another little white star?
Looks like it, yeah.
Yeah, they just washed the boat today too.
So you sure I peeked in on the questions and saw one about sea stars and sand dollars, and one of ooh, cool
Goosefish.
fish. Yeah, goosefish.
Oh, I haven't seen that one.
Saw one of my favorite education activities to talk about echinoderms and how they're all related. You know, sea stars, sea
Yeah.
cucumbers, urchins are all related. Is you take a piece of paper, cut it into a star shape, and if you fold up, actually you take two pieces, staple them together, and you've got your sea star. If you fold in the arms, you've got a sea urchin. This is very basic body plan. If you flatten that shape, you've got a sand dollar. And then if you take the middle of the arms
What's this, Ed?
on both pieces and pull it apart, you got a sea cucumber. So
That's
radial symmetry
creative.
for all of them.
Yeah. That's really neat.
Can you zoom in, please?
Yep.
I
What's
think
this
we need
thing?
a demo tomorrow.
Happy
Love
to.
to do that exercise. It sounds
Good
like
with
fun.
kids.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, I used to carry a little like ShamWow version in my pocket at the aquarium. ShamWow, not a sponsor.
But could be.
Could be.
What is
It's a
this?
shell.
What is
Ding.
shell?
Or
Shell.
looks kind of like this.
Looks
shell.
shelly.
Inside of a shell.
Shelley?
Okay.
Oh yeah,
So that tumbled.
yeah. There's the
Shirley
back of
must
it.
be kidding.
Okay,
Cool.
thanks.
That was fun.
Okay, so the new bearing will be 055.
Right on.
New bearing.
We've got a new bearing.
020 was pretty productive.
Streets will be paved in gold.
Coming up on a wall, is that what we're doing?
You can see it in Argus view, or Argus sonar.
400 meters.
Okay, ready?
That's like
I'm ready.
that's
Bridge nav.
200 meters over 400. That is really steep.
Yeah, it seems like how much rest I get, I'm still tired.
One step 40 meters, bearing 055.
Yeah.
Doesn't look so bad in Argus sonar anymore.
Great, thank you.
Fish. Coral.
Sediment.
Coral.
Yeah, we went over it.
Yeah, Argus looks happy. Look at this thing.
Oh, that's a big one.
I can look at it quick and then I'm going to move along.
Cool. Looks a little maybe not alive on that left side.
A little not alive.
And there are pieces of it down below if we end up wanting to sample it.
Can you zoom in, please, Ed?
Come in it.
Probably not very healthy.
Lots
Ooh,
of pieces.
Hold
Oh,
it.
yeah.
ouch.
Seems like someone's been munching on it.
Ooh, this is cool.
You want to grab a piece that's fallen?
Did it look like any of it had live tissue
We'll have to
on
move
it?
the ship back if we're going to
Yeah,
sample this. Come wide, please.
Well, you think it's worth sampling? It looks like there is some live pieces there, Alexis.
Let's keep going.
Okay.
We've seen I bet we'll see more, knock on wood, but
Yeah, if that's the bottom of this zone, then
Yeah.
probably won't be.
Maybe a healthier one.
All right, I'm coming up in a hurry.
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, man.
Wow.
Oh, hello.
Wow. Yeah,
Argus
we're going
view.
straight
Surprise.
up, aren't we?
That's why I wasn't stopping there.
Nope.
Ooh-wee.
We're also kind of like in a nook.
Nook eye.
Oh,
Or
cool.
cranny.
Got the kind of
Yeah.
layer
terraced.
cake. Yeah. Terrace sounds much more formal.
It's almost terraced, like very close to where the 100-meter contours are.
What is?
The terraces are like pretty
Oh,
much.
yeah.
they're-
That's funny, actually.
Yeah. Maybe they were just influenced. Let me turn those off and let's see how we feel about that.
Good point.
Yeah.
Yep.
There's still definitely, this is a terrace.
Yeah.
And then flat,
Yeah,
and that's
yeah.
a terrace. But
It's cool.
I think we were being, our eyes were, yeah.
Okay, that's looking a little happier now. Whew.
Okay, we're going 055.
055, roger.
And then they can decide up here if they want to skirt down this way and then go up this super steep slope to the end, or if they want to come up here and then get the gradual
Yep.
bit.
Oreo?
Oreo.
I'm
Bridge
surprised.
nav.
I'll go back this way.
One more step, please. Thank you.
I'm surprised that's become a common name and not like chocolate sandwich cookie. Ooh, a few corals here.
3. Trifecta.
Look pretty similar though to what we've
Yeah.
collected.
More plexarids. Ho hum.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see.
This flatbed definitely is a different looking
Looks flatter.
sediment
Oh,
substrate
yeah.
kind of thing happening.
How did that rock get there?
Sodor.
Congratulations, Ed. You're now a geologist.
I know.
You can ask the right questions.
You don't even have to answer them.
Guess at the answer.
Guess at the answer.
That's all it is.
That's all I do.
So we have now been diving for about 15 hours.
14 hours, 44 minutes.
About 15 worked.
Whoops.
And we're going till 4, right?
So another
Yes.
5
What's
hours.
expected?
4 would
Yeah.
be good.
Although some time for ascent will be needed. However, we'll be getting shallower and shallower. So the ascent
What's
time.
our target end depth? 400?
I believe that's what it was.
600?
4, I can't recall.
It's
let
4.
me
The
see
end
if I-
target is 420.
all right.
419 meters.
420.
Yeah.
It'd be interesting to, not that I'm, let me rephrase that. It would be not fun to continue a dive shallower than that because of the weird countercurrents that might
We
get.
might actually struggle even getting to 4. Although, we're getting closer to the island, so we'll see how much, what that current does. Just
Yeah.
have to, who's on next? Gabby and Mike?
Gabby and Mike on midnight.
And
And
yeah, I'll be sure to talk to Albert.
They
about
might
that.
feel it soon after leaving the bottom.
Should be able to get away
Yeah.
because the island will be up here and we're going to go in this direction likely.
Nice, yeah. Might be good to track a line away from the island just out of.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. I'll talk it through with Albert and Mike.
Yeah, they should probably start coming up at 3:30.
Sea star.
Yeah.
Sort of size.
Huh.
That
No one
one
else
looks a little
around.
different.
Yeah. White tips.
Sea star.
It's been a good day for echinoderms.
Yeah. Oh,
Huh.
surprise shrimp.
Yeah.
Uplands.
Health check. Arg.
So does anyone have any good marine focused book recommendations? Any favorites?
Ooh.
What focused? What?
Marine.
Marine focused
books.
Well, yeah. So
Yeah,
mapping the
lots
deep
of 'em.
was the one I mentioned yesterday. That's a good
Which
one.
I'm reading right now.
Yep. Longitude is a good one on the
Fine.
invention of the clock, accurate enough to keep time at sea, which enabled us to calculate longitude.
Keep meaning to read that book.
Can you come up in your delta, please?
There's Soundings, which is a
That's a
story
little on the
about
fast side.
oceanographer Murray Tharp's mapping of the bottom of the oceans.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I think we have it on board.
Huh.
More of these pockmarked rocks.
It's
Oh,
gonna be
cool.
identical. We were gonna say
There's
the same
some.
thing
Oh,
as
wow.
last time, but it wasn't. Look at that coral up there.
That is
Oh,
so
Nice
bizarre.
looking
It's a
coral.
big
Oh,
one.
wow. Alexis, are you here?
Wow.
Hi.
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 Oh, that yellow thing on the left is
Yeah,
kind of interesting, too.
Yellow thing.
Yellow thing on
Bright,
the left.
bright yellow. Bottom left corner now. Bright yellow. It's not a...
We can zoom in on the yellow thing.
There's one of
Where
those
at?
flat sea stars, too.
Bottom
Yeah.
left corner.
This
Now
one.
it's right center, under the lasers.
Sea star top right.
Oh, zoanthids?
Oh, yeah.
Or is it
Good
coral?
eye. It looks like a small colony of Anelepsamia.
Cool.
Yeah, of course it is.
Hey, good eye, Sam.
Thanks, Alexis.
Still partial.
But this one up here looks pretty healthy. Wow.
I'll say.
Or if
I think I can get a
not
better
the one
view
on
if
the
I
right.
cross over to the far side. So come full wide, please, Ed.
Yeah, and
Right.
you'll see that associate, that crinoid or
I'm
something.
under wide.
I'll come around and then look back on it.
It's that
Dead
spiky
coral in the
thing
foreground.
front. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah.
You want me to hold here?
It's up to science. If we're just looking, we don't need to hold.
Yeah, we'll hear from Alexis on this one.
Okay, zoom in, Ed.
We're
Come
okay
in.
for now.
Wow.
Oh, man, I hit.
Partial.
So spiky thing. Then I'll transition over
coral,
to this
yeah.
guy.
Is that just the base of a coral?
Yeah, coral
Looks like it.
skeleton.
Oh,
Wow.
gorgeous.
Super dense.
Couple of Oreo fish, too.
That has a nice
Nice.
anchor. Wow.
Nice tableau.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They must have a good current there on the top left.
Top left, you see where the brittle stars and crinoid is. Cool.
Gonna let it leave
Did you
frame,
need
then
any
I'll
zooms
That
on the
was a
polyps there,
gorgeous
Alexis?
shot.
Pretty good.
Great. Now we gotta go.
All right,
Gotta
coming
go.
out.
So what do you say,
How's that?
Alexis?
I don't know what kind, but it's a primnoid. If you look in the animal guide or in the coral guide, there might be one that looks like it.
Oh, you mean we have to work
have
up here?
Sorry to make you work on your watch.
All right, coming up.
I don't remember where the primnoids are.
It's almost like she prepared us to be able to work without her. So she could go to bed and stuff.
Let's hold off on
Went
another
out
move.
more
Oh, yeah.
fanned out, yeah.
Because it looks like there's a bit in shadow even.
Yeah, you already knew that.
They're also changing their heading around.
Okay.
Oh, I guess. Oh, maybe that one. No, not quite fleshy.
I think we'll be okay, but,
Yeah.
you know. No point in being silly.
No.
Nope.
I turned that gain down a little. A little mustardy. My liking.
It's the base
Yeah,
of like,
Alexis, maybe Candidella, which has been seen at Howland.
Yeah, the polyps looked a little bit big for Candidella, but yeah, it's a possibility.
Yeah, didn't see anything that looked closer in this guide. Yeah.
how about Calyptrophora?
Eat jelly and Argus do.
Actually, no, because it's they're all straight up. They're not
Yeah.
branched.
Go the right way. There we go. All right, that's a little high on the delta there. Ready? I think so, yeah. We could do one.
Bridge now. One more step. Thank you.
The end of the season, I gotta send that clock up there on the right back to be recalibrated. Seems like it takes about 5 hours for every 4-hour period to go by.
That's because of the time zone.
Yeah, maybe it is. On another hour, it's gonna be Sunday again.
Can't wait. Hey, what's the difference in time zones between here and Hawaii?
1 hour.
1 hour, thanks. Look at these out-of-place rocks.
Currently 1 hour in a day, but
Yeah.
tomorrow it'll be
1 hour.
1
or-
hour.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to fix the date.
Hmm?
Change the date back on my watch.
Yeah.
Is Oahu eventually gonna sink into the sea?
I think we all are.
Look
Okay,
to the
Yana.
northwestern Hawaiian Islands. There's a big sponge there to the left.
Not only will it sink into the sea, it'll probably be subducted under the, you know, where the
Nice looking sponge.
subducted under Asia.
What's above the sponge? Upper left.
The ocean?
Something with arms.
Let's find out. That's a
Whoa.
crab.
Crabby.
Oh, there's a crab.
That was the end of my leash, but I'll go have a look.
Some neat markings.
It's pretty big.
I'm glad it wasn't just arms.
Yeah.
That would have been
Zoom in, please, Ed.
scary.
Cool sponge on the right too.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ed, zoom in, please.
Yeah.
Hey.
No.
Big stretch.
Flashing his gang signs
Give
there.
me a hug.
Do you want a piece of me?
Crustaceans.
Wow.
How did it know we were zooming right then?
Their camera ready.
Ooh. Oh, it's a female. It has eggs. No?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Looks like
I
it.
think so.
Nice.
Eggs.
That's nice.
And eyes.
Eggs.
Yeah. Cool.
How many eyes
Gorgeous.
does that thing have?
2.
2.
The rest are just little
Oh
protrusions.
yeah, I like the little
Protrusions.
dots that
Yeah.
go
Okay,
along
come
the.
wide, please.
Rest
Yeah,
is-
wide.
The rest is jewelry.
Couple sponges in that crevice.
Yeah. Another Oreo, maybe.
How big was that step?
40.
Okay, retrograde.
Mm,
Retrograde complete.
I don't think that was a retrograde. That was the heading change.
Roger.
Another skeleton like that other one.
Can you zoom on the valley part of that? Like where at the
Rubble?
base of that, whatever that is, rock?
Valley.
You want to look
Up
at the
higher?
rubble in here?
Sorry, I'm not following.
You
where
mean
we're
the
going.
crevice between these?
Yeah, in the crevice. Like just up a
Sure.
little bit, just above screen right now. It looked like
Okay.
there's some coral
I
rubble.
think it was up further
Roger.
in this little valley. There's a whole bunch of little rubble
I see it there,
right
yeah.
there.
Ah,
That stuff, I think.
This is a,
Is that
this is
it?
a cool formation. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can just take a zoom on that for me.
Copy.
Sure. Go ahead, Ed.
Coming in.
oh yeah, that's a lot.
Looks like the lava just flowed over that ridge too.
You think that's a good scoop?
Decide fast if you want it, because we'll need to do ship action.
No, let's keep going. But thank you,
Alright.
that's good.
Oh, something buried in the sand that looks cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Shell of
and
some
then a
sort.
very nice coral up here.
Nice
There we
looking
go.
coral. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Another crabby.
Yeah, it looks
Hi,
like lava
crab.
poured over and then cracked there. Maybe.
It does.
Glass sponge.
Thanks.
Big yellow one. isn't
Oh.
it?
Bright yellow. Yeah.
Very yellow.
Right, is
Wow.
yellow. Spalding.
And this crack here.
Another coral pile there.
That's interesting. That sharpness.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
Oh, is that a Chrysogorgia? I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
I
that's
kinda
gone.
wanna
It
keep
is,
going.
but it's a Metallogorgia, which is in Chrysogorgia Day.
Cool.
Ah,
There's another one of those bright yellow ones on the left.
Metallogorgia.
Yeah.
This is weird.
This, yeah, really cool.
Oh yeah,
features.
that's more rubble on the top of all that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
lots of rubble. Wow.
We're
Wow,
stopped.
there's a lot of corals
Roger,
here
I'll-
at some
I'm gonna
point.
stay that way for.
I wonder what happened.
Wow. Well, they're just falling from above here.
Oh, these are
Maybe
cool
that means
terraces.
There's gonna be
Cool
a lot
terraces.
above. There's one of those bright yellow
Oh
ones.
yeah.
Yeah, let's get a zoom on a yellow one when you have a chance.
Sure thing.
Check it out. Wow.
All
That
right, go
crab
ahead
in
and
the
zoom in.
back. Darth Maul crab.
Huh. What are you?
Crazy spiky urchin under it, stuck in that.
Yeah.
Partial.
It's thick.
Can we get a closer zoom?
Yeah, go ahead, Ed.
Yeah, coming in.
Couple polyps out there on the bottom.
Yeah, nothing out up top.
Some
I'll go back
headrays
down.
there.
Ready?
I'm not sure. Are we ready?
Yeah, that's good. That's a Nelopsomnia.
Okay, come wide, please. I gotta go.
Is that what you
Yes.
guessed too, Emil?
Insomnia, yeah. That's it.
Oh, that cool anemone.
Yeah.
Wow, so much rubble.
Yeah. What are we gonna find at the top?
Yeah.
Trenton.
Why?
Does anyone have an idea as to why we're seeing so much rubble accumulated all of a sudden?
There was
No.
once a lot of coral alive above it, and maybe there
Maybe.
is still.
That's what we're hoping. Oh, cool fractures again.
That's the dream.
the dream
Or
is
it was
that
Hey,
just-
there's
still.
that looks
We
like
just
freshly
had
broken
like
off.
a big.
mortality event, yeah.
Rather be
Yeah,
safe,
but
I
I don't
think.
know what
Yeah.
would cause that.
Yeah, we're still at 20 meters
Sedimentation.
out for Argus.
Maybe they got
Yeah.
How deep are we?
some kind of a sediment flow might have
Yeah.
Yeah.
suffocated them.
So we're a little too deep for any storm action.
Let's
see.
overhang here.
Also, to answer that question, is there may have been all this coral rubble. It's not like it was all at one time. It could just be over time. There was just the same amount that we're seeing in front of us.
Yeah.
And eventually they
Centuries.
died. Yeah, centuries of that. So whether or not it was once of completely flourishing or as is, or
Look at the Argus view, and look at this coral.
Yeah.
Big rubble field.
Wow.
I'm gonna come around this side,
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
I kind of wanted to come up underneath there to scare you, Rennie, but
the overhang.
yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
But this is more useful for science. It'd be neat to have control of gain on individual thrusters differently. So you could have full gain up, but still lower gain on the laterals.
Wow. Wow.
Here we go.
Yeah. This,
I don't know what we're going to, but it's exciting.
Look at this, ready?
Oh,
Ooh,
anemone!
gorgeous.
Beautiful. Look at it in the Argus view. This is all rubble down here.
Wow. Yeah.
And the ship has been stopped for a while, so if we wanted to do a rubble scoop, this would be the place.
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
Where is it going? Starboard E?
Yeah, that's completely open.
Completely open.
Yes.
Wow.
Let's do it then.
No little ones are open, right?
Could I get double wide, please? Ed?
Okay.
Unless there's a better place for it. I'm just trying to think of where you put a
Um,
bunch of coral rubble without it getting mixed in with other samples.
Is
It
there-
could go in F because those are two rocks.
Let's fill E.
If
just
you
fills
do
it
a
up.
rubble scoop, I would put it in its own bio box.
Yeah, so E is the only one that's completely open.
Yeah, the rest
Okay.
are filled, so
Yeah,
that
we could fill E.
hampers
Philly.
later sampling.
You familiar with Philly, Ed? Nothing. Making a dumb joke.
Just wedge right in there, you know. That's a good place to hand off. No, we got 45 minutes. We're good.
Oh,
Surrounded by
Yeah, here you
everything.
go. We're parked in the garage.
we've got 23 scoops in the E.
Uh-oh.
Got about 15 more to go.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
just unplugged a
And the
monitor.
vehicle's wedged
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
See ya.
and I called on a ship move. See ya.
Oh.
okay.
Oh, look at that big piece up there.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be tangly. It's gonna be fun. Okay, we're gonna put this in echo,
Correct.
and there's nothing floaty in the
Starboard
starboard box
E.
right now, but I think this stuff's gonna be a little bit floaty, maybe. I'm gonna do this ahead of time. Is that gonna stay? Landslide. That might stay. You racked back, Ed.
Yeah, I am right back.
You guys really got bored with that tape job, didn't you?
With the witch?
Tape job.
It's good to have it visible.
It's all zigzaggy. In case you cut the rope off.
Say again?
Is that in case you cut the rope off with the
Yeah,
tip?
exactly. That'd be embarrassing.
That'd be funny though.
Let me think about this. Think this through.
Scoop Mark 2.
Lodge 3, yeah. I'm not sure if that's one, but could be.
I don't want to do that.
You're gonna need a bigger scoop.
It's gonna be hard to grab right now, but make it easier later. There we go.
So, Trevor, did you just run through the whole evolution of how that scoop was going to end up when
Yeah.
you got over to E and then re-grabbed it for that?
Yeah, and I might be 180 degrees out, but we'll see what happens. What do I want? What do I want in life? Oh, not that. That's not what I want. Okay. Let's get set up. Could you give me bubble on 4, please? And let's do a sample tray halfway out already. That's good there. Maybe a little bump in. In. More in. Yeah, good there. Okay.
That looks like it's all clumped together, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, get that big chunkus.
You want me to get the chunkus?
That'd be cool.
Get a hairfish.
Huh.
Might not be able to
Maybe
get
not.
the
Not with a
chunkus.
scoop, no.
Looks like that bunch below there, you could just grab it with the
Oh,
manip.
it's really stiff. That's coral rubble. That looks pretty good.
That looks like a good scoop.
Yeah, that looks good.
Might as well fill it more though. I'm gonna spill it, so I might as well get enough that I can have some spill budget.
Yeah, one thing we're interested in is maybe, you know, there's possibility of invertebrates all in this rubble.
Look at the color of that. Looks like it had a forest fire.
That looks good. I don't think you're going to be able to get more in that scoop.
Yeah, I think that's all I can get for now.
We've angered the coral rubble gods.
Speaking of forest
smoking.
fire, look at what you left behind.
Some shells down there too.
Switches at 3 to port.
Experiencing any jaw creep, or is it alright?
Never seen a rubble pile like
Oh
this.
boy, yep. Here's to hoping I'm not 180 out.
I think it'd be alright.
Can you please give me starboard salvo?
Seems to be all similar species too. I mean, similar structure. It's not like different types of coral.
Right. I've seen piles of sponges that look like, you know, dead leaves,
Yeah.
leaf piles.
Dude, that is...
And the sponges usually grow
Insane.
over the
Echo or
old
foxtrot?
Echo.
skeletons.
Thank you.
The front one. Or, yeah.
That is absolute madness.
Wow.
Yeah.
Haha.
Nice.
Oof.
Awesome.
That was crazy.
Nice.
15 more and we'll have it filled.
Do we want more than one, or
No,
just
well,
one
I
of the
think
ones?
that's good. What do you say, Alexis? Still there?
You can give me forward or normal salvo.
And
Alexa says that's good.
Alexa says that's good.
It's
Okay,
good.
you can close the box.
that is sample 034.
034.
My first coral rubble sample.
Everyone remembers their first coral rebel sample.
First and only.
Okay, turn this back on. Ooh, that was fun. Say again? Roger, I didn't hear it. I trust you though that it was worth listening for. Yeah.
Nice drop.
All right.
Yeah, let's check out this crazy rock formation again.
Okay, done for sampling here, right?
Yep.
All right, that's closed. This is on. Turn this one off. Okay, I think I'm good to go. Let's check out this coral, or cool coral rock. You know,
Yeah, it's a
words and stuff.
pretty wild habitat.
Gonna hold off on the move till we see what we're doing.
Okay, roger that.
Also, I'm gonna do 30-meter moves from now.
Sounds
in the
good.
steep bit.
Go ahead and take a load off there, Nav.
Yeah. It's it's this.
Thanks, Edge.
Reference to that.
Turned it off for the right 3 seconds.
Yeah. It's okay. You can put the load right on me.
Okay, I'm gonna move.
Roger.
Bridge nav. 1 step 30 meters, bearing 055. Thank you.
Nice rock. Look at that.
That's cool. It's like a little table.
Just like it.
It looks like a hoodoo, although I'm sure it's formed in no similar way.
It's even got a bench on the left side. Like, this would make a great picnic spot.
Yeah, dangle your legs right down there.
Oh, what is that?
That is so cool.
This is our ghost coming.
What are we looking
The
at?
ghost
Like
of picnic
Pac-Man.
Uh, it's got to be a jelly. What
How big is this?
is it?
Let me paint it with the lasers here, and then I'll turn them off.
Oh,
There you go.
There's
gosh.
Oh, no,
You
we
got
got the
some shots
creepy
of that
eyes
with the
on.
lasers?
Oh, it's so spooky.
Okay, lasers coming off.
Ready to zoom.
Oh gosh.
Okay, this
yeah,
is
zoom
at
whenever you
least
feel
the
like
fort,
it.
right?
Yep.
Just gonna get our
It
problem.
reminds me of the
Seconds.
deep staria, but it's got some weird
What's
innards.
this?
It does look like.
Oh my
It does
god.
remind me.
Oh, but it has the geometric mesh.
It does have that mesh, yeah.
It's got stringies at the bottom, too.
Right.
Look at that.
What?
Spooky.
Spooky.
Oh.
We're gonna
What
lift the
kind of
mask
photo
off.
What's
It was
that
the
fluid?
red
storekeeper the whole time.
structure
Oh.
It
inside?
was a cryanoid.
Oh gosh.
It's like dancing.
Oh, it's got an
Inside of
isopod. It has isopod
Oh,
inside
cool.
of it.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's got to be related to deep staria. Wow.
Yeah, it must be. Because they have a resident isopod, I believe.
Yeah.
Would have gotten away with it if it wasn't for us meddling scientists.
I know.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it looks
It
like.
was an isopod driving a sheep.
Wow.
Oh gosh. This might be a 5.
It's incredible.
Yeah, this is cool.
Wow.
Okay, I can tie it again.
It's a yeah. Well, it's a 5. Wow.
We've got like 100 photos.
What are the vein-looking things? The contour lines.
Could be a nerve net, could be gastric channels.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Look at that thing.
Where'd the little brainy part go?
It's down at the bottom, I think.
It's going inside out now. Ooh.
So when you say resident isopod, are they having a
that's cool.
symbiotic relationship, or is it?
Or is it parasitic?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't remember from Deep Staria which of the two of those.
You guys zoom on
Yeah,
that,
go ahead.
you think? Whoa.
Wow.
Wow, what is even going on there?
Bridge now.
What is it thinking?
What are we thinking?
Hold position. Thank you. That'll. Yeah. At worst, we'll be above Herc, so I think we'll be alright.
I wish I could spin around it, but I'm really nestled into those rocks.
Wow.
Look at that.
There you go.
Isopod's getting the ride of its life.
I still like the thought that it's in control. It's driving this thing.
Oh wow,
Big
we can
pinky
really
in the
see.
Wow,
brain.
that's really cool.
Wow. Remember when it snuck up on us?
Yeah. Wow.
It's like scanned up, and it was like, whoa.
So yeah, in the Deep Staria, the geometric mesh pattern is
Little bump
our
up to
canals
shoot
that
thing in
deliver
there.
nutrients throughout the body.
Oh,
So
Wow.
I suspect it's a similar setup.
I'd say that's a good suspicion.
And then
Beautiful.
I think the sort of more concentrated bit we saw at the top that's kind of pink, not the isopod, but the pink fleshy bits, maybe gonads or more digestive organ related.
Do you know what it eats?
Probably filter feeds.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
it can
amazing.
also probably trap things within that massive bell. Wow, I feel like it's actually expanded
back
since
away.
we've been watching it.
Yeah,
It's
it
a-
seems
yeah.
like it.
It is any size it wants to be.
Yeah,
Let's paint it
Wow.
with lasers again.
it's a shapeshifter. Yeah,
Wow,
that's
it's
trying
the-
to
Okay,
Let's
definitely.
Let's see if I can get that part right there.
That's big.
Put the isopod inside it.
Can we go full wide again to get the
Yeah. Full
full?
organism.
Wow.
There you go.
Do you want lasers still on?
Just to get some scale, and then I'll turn them off again.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
ginormous.
Always hitting that rock. Oh, that squat lobster is grabbing at it. Under the ledge, yeah.
We've actually seen video of, or we've captured video of squat lobsters eating fragments of Deep Staria.
Really?
Yeah.
It's got I think it's got a hold of it. I think that's what it's snagged on.
Really?
I saw it
Yeah.
reach its little arm out.
I can
and
go back
grab.
down there. Can you come wide for a sec, please?
Yeah. That's full wide right there.
It's a little bit tangly getting in here, but
So you think underneath the overhang there's a squat lobster grabbing it?
Well,
We
there
saw-
was. It definitely
saw one
grabbed
kinda
it, but I
kicking
don't.
at it.
zoom in, please.
Look, it
Yeah, coming
seems
in.
to have.
Oh,
It
that
might
is
just
too
be
funny.
stuck on a rock, though.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Oh.
that little
Oh yeah.
Okay.
that little shrimpus was
It's
grabbing it.
coming out to investigate.
What have we here? What have I caught in my trap?
Yeah.
Wow.
That thing is caught up.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Still tangled.
Can we give it a hand?
Yeah.
That'll get
I
it
feel
back.
I'm
Look
surprised
at
that
that.
with all that tension it hasn't just broken
Come back
off.
down.
Bump.
Jeez.
Oh,
Whoa.
gotta give it a
Wow.
Now it's in kite mode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll assume my
This looks
true
like a job
form.
for the crowbar.